Last time I came up here, I actually got the two 75/40s put on the back. So this time I'm gonna put the two 75/40s around the front. Right now I got the two 45/20s on, but I'm gonna go for a bigger tire because I have a Hellcat SRT spindle and Brembo calipers. So it should fit 275s all around. I've seen it done, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on this time, man. Take y'all through the process. Sun glaring. There you go. And one thing I can tell you guys, man, that brake, those brake pads, man, barely anything, man. I ceramic coated, so with the ceramic it made a hell of a difference, man. No dust, little to no dust. This wheel right here was like this when I first got them. It was scratched up, took like a marker and marked it out, but I may have to take it to a rim shop to see if they can fix that or whatever, or anybody can tell me how to fix it.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. I'll tell you what though, man, if anybody get a chance, man, y'all go ahead and put the SRT Hellcat spindles on your car, man. That shit make a big difference. Excuse my French, but they make a big difference, man. You can see how big the rotors is too. Big brakes, pads are looking pretty good. Ain't kicking out a lot of brake dust, man, but I say if I was you guys, I'd go ahead and do the deal, man, and get them done. Yeah, buddy. Them boys put back on. Two modes put on. It's looking good. Also, guys, if you guys are in the DMV area, DC, Maryland, Virginia area, you guys come up here to JCU, some new tires, install and repair. They do a good job, man. Owner's pretty cool. The guys here are really laid back guys, but they do a good job. So number is 571-970-4405. Just like that, guys, 275 40/20s on the front. All season tires, 275 40/20s all around. So it's gonna look good, man. So I'm gonna let you guys know how this thing rides. All right, guys. So as of right now, man, the wheels itself, man, they feel smooth. I got a smoother ride because I had the 245, the original tires that was actually on the car when I had the original 20-inch wheels. It's riding better, man. I can tell you that. It's a lot smoother than the 245s I had on there. The 245s that I had on there, I feel like they were stretched a little bit to go on a 9.5-inch wheel. They actually did fit on the wheel of the Hellcat wheels, but as far as right now, I feel like it's smoother, man. It's a smoother ride. I should have did this a while ago. Next thing I got to do, I got to get an alignment because the camber on the back is off, and I want to make sure everything is sitting right with this car so I don't mess up any tires, because the 245s that I had on the back before, those 245s, the inner of the back wheels were literally, man, they were bad, dude. Like, they were bald. And if I hadn't changed the brakes on my car, I wouldn't have paid attention to it. I wouldn't even have checked them or whatnot. So if you have a Hellcat Challenger, Charger, any type of Mopar, Dodge, anything like that, or any car, I say go ahead and check your tires, man, because if you don't take your car to a auto shop for routine maintenance and you do it yourself, I say do it yourself, man. Check it yourself, and then if the tires are bald or anything like that, you can rotate them yourself, or you can just go ahead and change them out like I did. Like I say, it feels good. My alignment is off by a little bit, but I'm gonna take the car next week to get the alignment checked out and everything else. But I can't complain right now of how the ride is or whatnot. So hopefully everything else works out pretty good. But like I say, I did put 275 40/20s on a 2016 Dodge Challenger RT. Keep in mind that I do have the spindles and control arm and spindle from a 2018 Charger Hellcat. So this probably won't work if you have a normal spindle from a 2016 or up RT. I know everything is made differently, but like I can say, for me, just driving right down the road from where I just came from, a smooth ride, man, very smooth ride. So I challenge everybody to put better tires on your car. We already know that these cars can get loose from us, and these cars can get away from us. And I say, if you can't, if you don't have what it takes to put all new tires on your car, I say put wider tires on the back. That is a must for any type of sports car. I know with most of the Mustangs, those things come stock with wider tires and stuff like that. I don't know what it is about Mopar and small tires, man. Like, I don't know what it is with them in small tires. The 245 stock on an RT is ridiculous, and the Hellcats and all the other cars come with 275s. So I say go ahead and do that, and you know what I'm saying, let me know how it works for you guys. If you guys got any questions, go ahead and hit me in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be putting out more videos 2021. I said it a lot last year, but now, you know what I'm saying, I got family, school, and I'm trying to balance between family, school, and YouTube now. So, and work. Of course, I am in the Army, so work is #1 priority, and then, you know, family's next, because if I can't work, then I can't take care of my family or whatnot. So trying to balance out all those things to put out more videos for you guys. I will be transitioning the channel from car to actually gaming and military related information. So if you guys are in the military, or you thinking about joining the military, or you like gaming or anything like that, stick around for the channel, because I will be doing more when it comes down to those types of things that people like. So the channel just gonna be all around guy stuff, man. Guns, gaming, military, just stuff like that, so I can talk to you guys and relate with you guys. But I want to thank you guys for watching the channel. Like I said again, please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we're gonna go up 2021. I'm trying to get at least 500 subscribers. Right now I'm sitting still in 100 and something, but I'm trying to get up there. So if you're watching the video, please subscribe to the channel, man. Help me grow and help me put out more content. I want to thank you guys. Peace.
I'm gon' ride around my city and stunt my shit. I fucking Cutlass, Regals, and Rams V12s. Gotta have something fast just to get out the jam.